Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and we are here today with a fall haul. Yes, fall. My stores are starting to get it all in. I believe all the other stores, so be on the lookout. If your store has not had any fall or any Halloween, be on the lookout, because they, from my understanding from one of the managers I know, said they have to start getting this stuff out. The first roll of the fall, the Halloween, has to be out. So if you have been one of those people that have not seen it in your stores, start stocking them. That's all I can say. But if this doesn't get too long, I will insert some shop with me, so that way some clips so you guys can see what else is in the stores. We're going to just jump right in, because I got a feeling it's going to be kind of long. I was going to do Halloween and fall together, but it's just too much. All right, we're going to start out with picks. These are amazing, you guys. For $1, yes, you get 3 of them. They're the velvet pumpkins. Now, I purchased the bigger stem from Hobby Lobby with the velvet pumpkins, and to be honest, I don't remember how much I paid. If you guys know, comment below. Let me know if this is a better deal. You're getting 6 pumpkins for $2. I love them. And then also, if you don't have a Hobby Lobby by you, right here. They're the same pumpkins. I'm not kidding you. They had a beautiful blue. Blue is not for me for fall, but it was gorgeous. So I got those picks. Then I picked up for a friend of mine, because I think I have a bunch of these. So it's a 5-piece pick, and it's orange with like the brown spots. I will open one, so yes, you're watching. I opened your packages. So hopefully these are the ones you wanted. But really pretty, right? And you can stick them in your floral. I've turned my friend on to a crazy pumpkin lady. You know, I think she just got a new home, and she's excited, decorating for all the seasons. And I really turned her into a crazy pumpkin lady. So I got her those. The 1 pack, the smaller ones are 5. The larger are 4. Then I also grabbed her the beige color ones. That way she can kind of mix these in with that pretty orange. And once again, the smaller is 5, and the medium size is the larger, I guess, because there is one even smaller than this that are minis. If you guys haven't seen them, they are out there. All right, that's it for the pumpkin picks. I guess I'll show you the signs that I did pick up for fall. I'm not going crazy. There was one I really loved, but it had so much glitter, you guys. I'm like, am I gonna use it? So the footage will show a lot of those, but I picked this up. It kind of makes me think of an apple. So excuse me, my nose is itching. If you guys do anything with apples, you could kind of make that into an apple instead of, but look at the size of that. I'm going to step back so you can see. And then this has the grain, like the wood grain. They're calling wood planks. So if you want to ask your store if they think they're getting these, that's a good thing. A lot of times they don't always know exactly what it is. I used to work at Dollar Tree long time ago, so I know. And things may have changed. I got a couple of these because you can make your own signs. You can put on there whatever you want for the season. You can make up your own little slogan for the fall, or like I said, or use it as an apple for every day for the fall, whatever you do. But this one, you guys, I could not pass this up. I'm going to step back. I know you can't read it back there, so we'll get closer. It says, every year I fall for pumpkins, and the pumpkin is raised, so you can see bonfires. I love the little s'more stick. This is glitter. It's like a copper color, but it's gorgeous, you guys. S'mores, autumn leaves, apples, and you. And a little thing about me, my husband and I got married in the fall because the fall is, that's my jam. That's what I love. All right, moving on. So I took them out of the packages so you guys could see. I ended up purchasing some stickers to possibly stick on canisters, other things. If I can't find things, I make them. You know, I just put a decal, a sticker, something that'll peel off pretty easy. This comes in 14 pieces. And look at those pumpkins. They're gorgeous, right? Now, like I said, the blues and necessarily the spotted, like the leopard, not necessarily for me, but I do love them. Like, I can appreciate it. But mine is colors like this, rust orange, any orange, yellows, greens, like the deeper greens, you know. I love that. But I just thought these were really cute stickers. And yeah, and I wanted them. The other is these little gnomes. So cute. And 9 pieces. Those, like I said, some of them are raised. So are these, if you can see. But I need to show you each and every one because they're just so cute. So we have the little fall one with her pumpkin. This one I totally love. Like, that's my guy. We're together. He's got his little cup of hot chocolate with his whipped cream and his cookies. And then you got this one. She's got her little apples, her cookies. Like, they're ready for fall. They're ready. This one right here. Oh, it has a wreath. Yep. These are my gnomes. We're gnomies. And then this one. How stinking cute is that? She got her Starbucks. That's what's going on right there. Her Starbucks, her pumpkin, her, you know, pumpkin spice. She's ready. But I really love these, and I just can't stand how stinking cute they are. By the way, the saying says grateful and very thankful. I like that. And then just thankful down here. And then we got a little porcupine. I think that's what he is. Yeah. And stuff is sticking to his little quails. I think that's what they're called, right? All right. Moving on. I grabbed some of these lights because, as you can see in the background, my bees are going away. So I'm thinking I want some little lights like how I had for 4th of July. And I was like really debating on the pumpkins, the just fall pumpkins, or the leaves. But I think I might do the leaves. So you see how they're going to kind of glow. But you guys will definitely see them in a home tour when I redo this. Maybe we'll do it together. Next, I'm going to hop on to pumpkins. Because, you know, this girl says she's not going to buy any more pumpkins every year. And she definitely says, I definitely say, no more for the Dollar Tree. Wrong. Wrongo. I saw these. Now, I probably have some of these. I know I have some of this one. Because they had this possibly last year. I want to say. This one, not for me, but for my friend. I know she'll love that. And I think she actually ended up picking one up. The little gourd. That's more of a gourd. These are for me. Because that's my jam. That's my colors. That's what I like. And then this one is gray. So this one is more of a greenie. And then that's the gray. But aren't those beautiful? So hopefully you guys can find those in your store. They were going very fast in mine. Next pumpkins I'm going to show you is the velvet. And I know we've all seen this, but this is a new color to me. And I am on the hunt for this color. There was only one, but I want a bunch of these because I told you I really would like to go to more like this color for my fall. Halloween, I throw in those bright oranges, pops, but this is what I really like for the fall. So I am on the hunt for these, you guys. Next, I found these. Aren't they gorgeous? And it's a different size. And I know these are the pumpkins they've had in the past, but they changed the color. They're getting on board. People don't always want the bright, bright orange. Yes, they give you that, but then they're giving you this too. So it's amazing. I grabbed one of each color in this size. They had the green. This is the green I'm talking about. I love that deeper green. And then I grabbed this one because I just grabbed one of each color. I do wish I would have grabbed more of the green, so I might be on the lookout for some of that. So I want, like, look at how pretty those are. Whoop. Well, there we go. We're going to drop something else every video. Look at those colors together. I love it. Love it. All right. Next are these that you can paint. So I'm not the greatest painter, but I have a little guys that live next to me, and I thought this would be fun if maybe I did something like that with them, with her. And so yeah, they had a scarecrow. They had a scarecrow. Honestly, don't get me lying. I'm not sure, guys. There was a scarecrow and something else. An owl. An owl. So really cute. And then I picked these up. I don't even know why. You guys, I don't really do the buffalo check. But I am starting making wreaths. Wreaths. For some reason, I cannot say that word. Wreaths. Wreaths. Wreath. A wreath. So, and maybe I'll do these for others because I know they like it. I do like this for Halloween. I do like that plaid print for Halloween. I am not really a black and white, not yet, but I'll get on board when everybody's moved on because that's how I do it. All right, this is not Halloween, but I mean fall. But look at these look at these. They're little signs. And guess what? This girl is determined to start using her Cricut, and I'm going to make my own little signs, you know, and put little things on there that I like. And it comes with the chalk. They're meant for like weddings. They put them, I guess, like so you could do it for your table. So that's a great thing. Even a graduation, if you're having a party and you want to put little sayings, whatever. I mean, it's a nice easel. Look at that. I love it. So I grabbed 2 of those. I believe, oh wait, one more thing, guys. For the fall is these, the tins. Gorgeous, right? I know they've had these stakes before. Maybe not this one. I want to say the stitching is a little different. They had a rust color, which was gorgeous. And I want to say a cream. But I went with this one. And I think that is it for the fall. So I may insert some clips here at the end if you guys want to see what's in my stores. And I just want to tell you guys real quick. If you are new here, welcome. If you have been here from the beginning, thank you. Because you guys, I cannot believe this. This girl is about to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, that is very small in YouTube world. I didn't get on here, just so you guys know, to get big, to make all kinds of money. I got on here to share my passion, what I love, the decorating, the fall, the Christmas, the shopping, all the things that are in my stores with you. With people that are like me out there that love it as much as I do. And so to say that I've hit 1,000, not yet. I'm really close. I think it's going to happen maybe sometime this week. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. But I have that huge giveaway, and I told you it's going to be things from my stores, things that I love. So I'm going to share them with you. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure you click that bell. You want to watch them all because you don't want to miss out. You don't want to know when you need to be able to like hop on board. Now, I don't really bring up my Instagram because I'm horrible at posting on there. I am just horrible. You guys are lucky that you're getting these videos from me a couple times a week. But it's Jamie Loving All Seasons, and sometimes I give you guys little snippets of stuff I've just found, that I'm looking for, because if you're any of my Ray Dunn lovers on here watching this Dollar Tree haul, you'll see it there. So make sure you follow me there. You know what, you guys? I'm going to say my goodbyes right here. So you guys have a great day. Be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time. Okay guys, I am running into my favorite Dollar Tree, and let's see if they have all the fall and Halloween. You guys, they got it all. Super excited. What does she want?
Yarn.
Yarn. She's got it. I'll get her a bunch of yarn. So I'm out shopping with my uncle today. Say hi.
Hi.
See? He's going to be on my channel. He doesn't even know. You guys, look at all this stuff. I'm so excited. Look at all these cute. There's so much to look at. These picks are